Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Northampton County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Hertford County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Gates County in northeastern North Carolina, southeastern Southampton County in southeastern Virginia, the southwestern city of Suffolk in southeastern Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:40 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near Boykins, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Como around 5:50 p.m. Holland around 6:20 p.m. Whaleyville around 6:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Topsy, Drummondville, Hazleton, Cleopas, Dort, Somerton, Riddicksville, Sunbeam, Riverdale, and Roanoke. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling NOAA's National Weather Service in Wakefield at 757-899-2415. The National Weather Service